Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to play ambient music right from your iPhone home screen. Apple's built-in background sounds feature makes it incredibly easy to play ambient music directly from your iPhone home screen. No third-party apps required. Yeah, you got that right. So whether you prefer the relaxing sound or the soothing sleep one, you can access these calming audio options instantly. It's a pretty seamless way to create a relaxing environment while staying focused on your daily tasks. That said, let me help you get started. So first you have to long press the home screen to trigger the edit mode. Then you have to hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. Then you have to choose add widget option in the menu. And then you have to scroll down to find ambient music widget and select it. After that, you have to choose the preferred widget style and hit the add widget option. Then you have to hit the done button located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you're all set. From now on, you can play the preferred ambient music by just tapping on the widget section. So cool, isn't it? With quick access from the home screen, playing ambient sounds on your iPhone becomes pretty effortless and distraction free. Once set up, you can start or stop soothing audio anytime without digging through the settings app. It's a simple yet powerful feature that turns your iPhone into a personal relaxation companion whenever you need a moment of calm. Now that you're unlocked, this pretty helpful feature. Make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.